So here I try to represent in a diagram of the artery that how this normal artery turns into this infarct condition or these anginal condition. So these are the various types of the coronary artery disease which leads to the normal artery to the abnormal artery. Okay, so one of them in for which we are going to see in depth is the one that is the angina pectoris. It is also we can say as a ischemic heart disease. You can see there is a change in the arterial condition. Now what is that change? Can anyone tell me what happened in this this first one? After that normal, there is a exertational angina. What's that? What happened in that condition? Can anyone tell me briefly?
Fat deposition, ma'am.
Yeah, it's due to what? What are the probable causes of this angina?
Hyperlipidemia,
Hmm? Then
other yeah, heart conditions, ma'am.
okay, Devraj.
Ma'am, some lung disorder also.
Okay, which kind of?
Means like if there is any kind of TB or means any kind of necrosis or any lung cancer growth is there, then the lungs won't be able to generate oxygen properly. So there will be a deficiency of oxygen to all the parts of the body as well as the heart. And as heart pumps the oxygenated blood, it needs more means brain and heart needs more oxygen compared to other organs. So there will be there will be a deficiency of um, oxygen due to malfunctioning of the lungs. There may be a symptom of angina.
Okay, so you would like to tell me that it's maybe due to this bacterial presence, right? Due to
Yeah,
the
bacterial
bacterial presence
presence.
in these lungs, the oxygen generations and the demand of oxygen to the body is not able to fulfill. So due to that, it may leads to the severe condition, and this is the final result. It may be right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what it is, these exertional angina, as this Devraj and Ashmita told us that it's the due to this uh, imbalance between this myocardial oxygen supply. Ischemia is basic results, and symptoms is normally that transient symptom is normally that a person is feeling like uh, restlessness, and it's a pain in the left hand side of the body. And also due to this over exercise, this angina uh, can be a result. If the patient is also suffering from some disease condition, and he or she is having a heavy exercise, due to that condition also this is the result. Okay, and it's also caused by this increased is a myocardial oxygen consumption. So this is what this is first type. And when we are talking about this second one, that is a vasospastic angina. What it is exactly?
Vasoconstriction, ma'am.
Yeah,
Vasoconstriction of the blood
yeah,
vessels, ma'am.
yeah. But it's due to which condition, and normally this is observed in at which time?
Ma'am, it's due to lack of oxygen, and it's mainly it is observed in the mountaineers, those who climb in high altitude. No, ma'am, there is a lack of oxygen there. So due to lack of oxygen, sometimes they may suffer from cardiac arrest there.
Okay. Um, let me tell you what is exactly this. The vasospastic angina. It's normally very rare occurring angina of among all these types, but it's a normally observed in a early morning or the night. Okay, it feels like the constrictions or the tightening of the chest all of sudden. So it's also known as the prinzmetal angina, or it's also called as the coronary artery spasm, right? And it is also called as this variant angina. So this is all about this vasospastic angina. Moving to the unstable angina, what it is? What is unstable angina? Don't know?
Don't remember, ma'am. We
Okay,
read
okay.
in second year.
Yeah, no problem. Let me tell you. Uh, Unstable angina is a condition in which your heart doesn't get the enough amount of a blood flow and the oxygen flow, and it leads to the heart attack. And this type of the chest pain discomfort caused by this poor blood flow through the blood vessels in a or the coronary vessels of the heart muscles, and or the what we can say other, in other words, that is a myocardium. Okay, it's due to that this unstable angina is the reasons. Okay, then
Ma'am, it occurs at night time, no, ma'am, morely.
sorry.
It occurs in the night, no, ma'am, while sleeping.
Yeah, it occurs in a night while sleeping, but it's not that mention or the mandatory that always in that condition only.
And
Like
sometimes
chances.
because of mental or physical stress, this unstable angina can occur.
Yeah, yeah. Naveen, you are
Means
telling
like
something to me. Yeah, Ashmita, go ahead. What you would like to say?
if the persons are means like the mountaineers,
Hmm. Yeah,
so they
but
means
this
because of excessive stress they get the cardiac arrest or due to lack of oxygen. Means in the
yeah,
mountain.
totally. It's a totally fine with that. That two main causes. First is either does a blood flow is poor or this oxygen supply is poor, which is reaching to these are cardiac muscles. It's due to that the discomfort is getting generated, and due to that, normally this condition is occur. What we can say in other terms that it is leading by this or the following by a heart attack.
Due to any kind of pain in the body, means other pain, means if the person, suppose a person is suffering from cancer, so they are experiencing some pain, that pain is creating a stress that can lead to this cardiac arrest. Because I saw many cases like this, means in previous I saw many patients like dying like this.
Yeah, not always, but that may be a reason, uh, because it again depend on the mental condition, it again depend on this type of a cancer, and it's not what we can say the angina exactly this one, this unstable, but yes, the angina is normally the condition which is related to what you are telling. That first one is this unstable, I mean the unstable mind state, obviously that is there in the cancerous patient, and the second one what you are telling, that cancer conditions, but it again depend on the which type of cancer it is, either it is a tumor or the leukemia, or the even if it is a beneath, then which site is affected of the body. Okay, anyone would like to ask something more or have some questions or the query in the mind? No. Okay, then there's last one, infract. What is that?
Death tissue, ma'am.
Death of cardiac muscle cells, ma'am.
Absolutely correct. So it's a death of the tissue. Uh, why the tissue is get death? I mean, why the
Due
tissue
to
is
Lack
become a
of
dead?
supply of oxygen.
Yes, lack of supply of the oxygen. So why this oxygen supply is less due to what?
obstruction
Excessive smoking,
Yeah,
in the blood vessel, ma'am.
obstruction in the blood vessels, ma'am.
yeah.
Especially
So
due to
when this
smoking.
tissue is get dead, so what happens? There is a blockage in our artery. Okay, or this artery may get ruptured, or this mechanically get compressed, or it may be the vasoconstriction. So these all cause leads to one thing, that is a lesion, and that lesion is results in this